are all the ones I'm either not good sowing, or I'm gonna sow them straight in the ground because they don't need special care. They can go in any time. All right, pumpkins. Cinderella. What's gonna grow and what's not gonna grow. So you wanna put in 5 into each one. They're all popping up all of it. And there we go. Michelle's melons. Alright, and the rest go out there. See what I'm doing now? I'm covering up all the seeds so the birds won't get them. This is our scatter method. Save seeds from last year and then scatter them all this year. That's too many. These are your seeds. You also want it nice and wet, and you don't want to disturb the seeds after you've planted them. So you want to get it all nice and wet before you plant them. And all you got to do is stick a finger in, stick a seed in, and you're done. And you can just water the bottom. That way it never has to worry about being, like, the seeds don't get uprooted. Does that make sense? Nice and full of wetness. The worst thing that happens is, oh no, we grow more serrano peppers. You can pull them like weeds if we have to. It's just better to, what am I going to do? Throw the seeds away? That sounds even crazier. Plastic ones, I'm just going to recycle these next year and the year after until they die. Typically I use popsicle sticks. They die. 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are from last year and they grew real well, so I'm doing them again. I didn't grow them all. Serrano. And then brandy wine. So I don't know where these came from, but they came from these somewhere here. At least each one will be from the same general tomato. Even if it's not, I don't know what they are. So who knows what they are? Mystery tomato. I don't know how many people save tomato seeds like this, but it does dry on your dryer line real easy. And then you just peel them off and stick them in your garden. The ones I don't peel off, I'll just stick under the ground and it'll grow in a weird area, and then we'll have volunteer, I don't knows. They're either beefsteak, Donna, tie-dye, or marble stripe, and they're all different, like seriously different. So once they start growing, this will be very obvious. The big orange one we had last year, that was a good one.
Is on the prowl. She sees a bird right up in this tree, flying around. She's getting excited. And it's gone. It's gone soon. She's like, never mind. Hey, Abby. Yeah? What do you want? Oh, okay. You missed the bird? Yeah, next time. So the mint is coming up. And we have a bunch of little lettuces over here. If you look closely, you'll see a little helper. Hi, little helper. Let's put you in the light so people can actually see you. Or you're gonna hide on the other side. Well, how do you know where I'm looking at you?